As IIJW celebrated its day 2, it saw a few more Bollywood celebs being a part of it. We spotted Dia Mirza, Ayushmann Khurrana, Amrita Rao, Shamita Shetty, Sonal Chauhan, and lots of glamour, shimmer and drama on the ramp. शुरुआत करते हैं द गॉर्जियस दिया मिर्जा से, who looked as beautiful as ever in that black net fish cut lehenga and corset. We loved her makeup and hairdo, and of course the jewels she donned. A perfect look. So let's ask Dia about her experience of walking the ramp.
You know, when you're on the ramp, everything is focusing on that one element, which is beauty. And when the spotlight is on you and all eyes are on you and so many people have come together to make you look beautiful, you do feel very beautiful. You know, it's a different high and it's a different level of energy that you feel. So I really enjoy it. And I think what makes it even more special is when you walk for people who you genuinely care for. You know, that kind of reflects in what you're doing.
But क्या आपको पता है इस perfect look के पीछे छुपी है एक unwell Dia? Well yes, Dia was running temperature at this event. लेकिन सलमान के डायलॉग का सहारा लेकर Dia ने बता दिया कि वो हैं एक thorough professional.
एक बार मैंने जो कमिटमेंट कर दी, I think that's the joy of what we do, right? It doesn't matter whether you're running a temperature, you're not well. What matters is you come out there and give your best and look beautiful.
चलिए ये तो थी beauty with professionalism, दिया मिर्जा. अब बात करते हैं the current heartthrob, आयुष्मान खुराना की, who also walked the ramp wearing a black sherwani. वैसे अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि आयुष्मान had some fetish for jewels to be a part of this jewelry week, then listen up before concluding.
I think guys, they endeavor to know about women, they should also know about jewelry because they don't know anything about jewelry. So I think if you want to know about women, you should know about jewelry as well.
सुना आपने? अब women को और closely जानने के लिए आयुष्मान अपनी jewelry की knowledge बढ़ा रहे हैं. Moving ahead, we spotted Amrita Rao as well, जो usually in fashion weeks का हिस्सा होती ही हैं. इस बार अमृता ने choose किया red, pink and orange combination का traditional लहंगा, while she looked just about ho-hum. Zoom ने catch किया अमृता को exclusively और उनसे पूछा कि क्या होगी उनकी engagement ring की choice.
I'm not more of a. I think it's a combination of diamond and gold. Yeah.
So while Amrita decided on her rings look, we spotted Sonal Chauhan dressed in jewels top to bottom. We mean itni jewelry spot karna in one go is so not cool, Sonal. A thumbs down for your look. So Sonal, looks like you just wearing a lot of them.
Well, in my daily life, I'm not really a jewelry person, but when if there's a special occasion like a wedding or a red carpet event, then I like to really go crazy on my jewelry.
Well, the craziness does come across well. But what about your wedding day, Sonal? क्या तब भी आप इतनी ही heavy jewelry don करेंगी?
Absolutely. I think that's one day which is very, very special for every girl's life. So yeah, and I am a Rajput. I belong to Rajput family. So we obviously in Rajputs, wear very traditional, heavy polki sets. So yeah, I think I'm gonna tell my dad that.
सोनल के अलावा हमने यहाँ स्पॉट किया शमिता शेट्टी को भी, who donned a red knee-length dress, and we caught up with her for a little chat. Listen up.
Well, you can just spot her out there because she looks absolutely pretty in this pink. Is that pink or orange? It's actually red. Oh, wow. Sorry, red. But great seeing you, Shamita. What's up? What's happening? Tell us.
Well, I've been around. Just a little busy with doing an internship for interiors right now. But yeah, I'm around.
But we are missing you. So, I mean, does that interior thing mean that you won't come back? Because we really want you back. We've seen you in ads with Shilpa. So, we're actually hoping that Bollywood gets Shamita back.
Sweet. No, well, it just so happened that I left for London last year. So, a lot of people assumed that I wasn't interested in acting anymore. But I just took off some time to study a subject that I'm really fond of. And I'm doing an internship. But if something good comes my way, of course I'll take it up and I'll work again. Yeah.
It's always there. Interior decoration and Bollywood has a strong connection. All the first wives, if I can call them, from Suzanne, everybody is huge into interior decoration. So who persuaded you, or is this something that you always wanted to do?
Well, I am really fond of, I have a flair for interiors. But the thing is that it just came into my life in a very strange way. I happened to do the interiors of a nightclub, Royalty, in Bandra. And that happened just after I got out of Big Boss. And that's when I realized that maybe, I should study a little more about the subject, because I did the interiors with absolutely no technical knowledge on the subject. So I wanted to learn more, and I wanted something more than, just acting. I mean, acting is my first love, but there has to be something more as well.
Absolutely. You know what I notice here is that you have just this simple chain of diamond necklace, and is this your style statement? You're not much into that.
Yes, that is my style statement.
You don't like too much of gaudy jewelry. You don't like heavy jewelry and Indian jewelry.
No. Well, it depends on what you're wearing, to be very honest. It depends on the event, the function you're going for. Generally, I like really big earrings, chunky earrings, but I mean, this neck piece went really well with the dress, so I wore it.
I'm sure a lot of men have always tried to woo you with their flowers and chocolates, but has anyone ever wooed you with jewelry?
Not yet.
So, and I know you're still away and you're trying to get into, you went to London away, but the rumors don't stop, right? We've heard Harman is a very good friend of yours. Is it true?
Harman is a friend of mine, that's
So are you dating Harman?
no.
Oh, she's so sweet, no?
No, I'm not.
So Shamita's absolutely single and looking for her love, is it?
Absolutely single and looking for love, yes.
Thank you so much. You look absolutely fantastic. There you are, Shamit. Thank you. Rudrani Chatraj with cameraman Hari, Zoom.
और कुछ इसी तरह शाइन शिमर एंड जूसी गॉसिप्स के साथ कंप्लीट हुआ IIJW का Day 2 for Rudrani Chaturaj and Aarti Dani, Zoom, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Supreet. Follow Zoom TV on Twitter and get Bollywood news and happenings 24/7. Just visit www.twitter.com/ZoomTV.